Welcome class 10. Yes, in previous video we discussed about finding cumulative frequency table for given data. Yes or no? We practiced in previous videos finding or writing cumulative frequency table of the given data. Okay. We practiced finding median. Okay, so you are knowing formula median. Median equal to, yes, speak yourself loudly. Speak yourself loudly. I hope you are speaking very good. That is n plus n by 2 minus cf upon f multiplied by h. You must know formula, otherwise you cannot. Okay, very good. Now see, today we will talk about finding missing frequency when median is given. Right? Very simple. For finding median, we need to make cumulative frequency column. Yes or no? That is only column left. And you are knowing how to find, how to make CF column. And for finding median, we need median class. You are given median class directly. With the help of median, we can locate median class. This is also easy. See, what is median? 28.5. So, definitely this is 28.5. So, 28.5 lies in which class? 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40. See, 28.5 is less than 30. Definitely, median class is 20, 30. You got N is 20, H is 10. Got it? So frequency of median class 20. See, everything is indirectly given. So first we will write cumulative frequency table. F0, F1, F2 for mode is known. Now we need only CF for median. For CF for median, we need CF power. That will make now. See, cumulative frequency 5 plus x. We are adding. You are knowing cumulative frequency how to make 5 plus x. Then this 5 plus x plus 20. So in this case, be careful. We are in class 10. Students add constants. Right? Plus variable as it is. Okay? 20 plus 5, 25 plus x. Right? Now 25 plus x plus 15. Add constants. 25 plus 15, 30, 10, 40. 40 plus x. You are understanding? Right? Take 1 minute more in making this column. Now next, 40 plus x plus y. So both are variable. We cannot add. We have to write 40 plus x plus y. Okay. Now further see 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. We will write plus x plus y as it is. 45 plus x plus y. Students, in such examples, writing CF column is really irritating. Don't waste time. Very carefully. Slowly, give 1 minute more. Constant add कर दिया 25 plus x. Now constants added 40 plus x as it is. In greater students forget to write plus x. They are getting wrong. Good job we did. This is important. Over. Now formula. See, look here. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon f multiplied by h. All values are there in table. Now see, what is median class? Given indirectly. Median class equal to, you have to write, that is 20 to 30. Therefore, L equal to 20. F for frequency of median class 20. See, right? Unknowingly both values are same, but see they are appearing same. Air is 20, frequency is 20. Now CF, cumulative frequency of, yes, preceding class. CF of preceding class means class before middle class. So before middle class कौन सा है 10 to 20 उसकी CF. So here CF equal to 5 plus x. Right? Again, what is left? H. H is what? 10. See, put it. Now we got it. All the values put in formula. Middle known to you. 28.5 equal to n. 20 plus n by 2. 60 is n. So n by 2, 30. Minus CF. 5 plus x. Minus sign. Be careful. If there is minus sign and you are writing such a sum or difference, first you write bracket. And if you are intelligent enough, then think. Okay? So bracket 5 plus x we will write no greater e upon f20 multiplied by students 10. Okay, got it. Now see this multiplied by 10 h value. So 10 0 0 will cancel. Okay, now further see 20 plus this bracket upon 2 equal to 28.5. Again see here. Don't do great hurry in opening and solving. Watch, concentrate. This side is constant equal to 20 plus. So first we will send this 20 to this side. Okay. First we will send this 20 to this side. We will subtract. We are getting it now. 28.5 minus 20 equal to 30 minus, now I am opening bracket, minus 5 plus minus x upon 2. Don't act smart. Concentrate. Okay. Now see, you got it. 8.5 equal to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x upon 2. Now, cross multiplication. Come on, 8.5 multiplied by 2, yes, 17 equal to 25 minus x. Now find value of x. See, it depends upon you. Some students are sending x this side, or some are sending constant this side. Totally up to you. So see, I am taking constants on one side. 25 is transpose minus 25 equal to minus x. Be careful, minus sign hai. Okay, so you got it, minus 18 equal to minus x. So x equal to 18. X is 18. Now y? How will you find y? See, in frequency, sum of all frequencies is 60. So we can add this 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 equal to 60. Sum of this complete equal to 60. So definitely you will get again equation in terms of x and y. And in that equation we will put value of x, you will get y. Okay? Now see, I am writing this. Look, I am adding this. I am adding this. 5. See, we are in class 10. Some students are really very good. They add fast. पहले constants add कर लेंगे हो. Okay. Some are not adding. Okay, right? Add. Right? All 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 equal to 60. Add constants 5 plus 20, 25. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. So I got 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. See, you know value of x, 18. 45 plus 18 plus y equal to 60. Now 45 plus 18, how much? 50. Yes. See students, 17 minus 25 is minus 8. Is minus 8. Please. So x equal to 8. Put value of x 8. Are you getting? 20 plus 8 53 plus y equal to 60. So he got y equal to 60 minus 53 and y equal to 7. Got it? Okay. Now see, slight carelessness gives us wrong answer. So 17 minus 25 minus 8 equal to minus 6 minus minus plus 8. Now add this complete, you got this 60. Add it. So x equal to 8 and x y equal to 7. Okay students, please be careful. Important making column of shape while adding. Be careful. Write formula. Put values. Slight carelessness gives you mistake. And if you come across some mistake, don't lose patience. Control yourself. Check. Get correction. Fine. Now I am taking second example. See, I will just simply make the starting of example and remaining part I'll get by your support, by your help. Let me see how many are doing themselves here. Okay. Now see. Second example is that 62, 70, and 68. It is okay. Total is 100. Median is 62. Find A and B. So what is left? CF column. 4. Yes, 4 plus A. Please make yourself. I am waiting for 10 seconds. CF column आप खुद बनाओ. You are making. 14 plus 4, 18 plus 8, 18 plus 16, yes, 34 plus A. Now A and B both are constants, so 34 plus A plus B. So 34 plus 16, 50. 34 plus 6, 40 plus 10, 50 plus A plus B. Now 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus A plus B. Now 60 plus 8, 68 plus A plus B. After writing this CF column, please check once again. Don't proceed further. Check once again. Very correct. Confirm. Okay. Slight carelessness gives you 0 marks. इसमें अपने को चेक करना है जल्दबाजी में any one student can do mistake and generally brilliant students are doing mistake because the brilliant students 98 is assured they are doing mistake for 1 or 2 marks and then losing chance to get admission in best colleges in India. I am telling you. Okay. See students, passing is very easy class 10. हम पास कर देंगे आप. You sleep, come to me for 3 months only. You'll be passing. No need to worry. But it's matter of competition. You have to be very careful. See, you got it now. Formula, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F divided by H. Median class, what is median? 62. तो 62 किस में आएगा? इधर 62 70 मिडिल क्लास इक्वल टू 62. Therefore L equal to that is 62 70. So L equal to 60, H equal to 10, n by 2 how much? 50. CF, what is CF? Unit frequency of previous class. CF equal to, what is previous class? This is previous class 50 to 60. So CF 34 plus 8. What is left? H written. We wrote all values. F, what is F? Frequency of median class. B. Now put in values. Median is 62. equal to n 60 plus n by 2 50 minus CF bracket 34 plus a. I told you if there is minus sign and CF is like this, first you write bracket, put value. Now upon frequency V multiplied by h, how much? 10. Be careful. Okay, see again here 62 equal to 60 plus, first to send this 60 this side, so we got it 2 equal to 50 plus minus bracket 34 plus a whole divided by b multiplied by 10. Okay, very good. See student, be very concentrating. Now here this minus sign one bracket, be careful, this multiplied by 10, 10 से जब कोई cancel नहीं होगा, but I can send this 10 this side, cross multiplication. If there is this like this, your multiplication means complete one term multiplied by 10. हमें पहले multiplied by 10 को solve करना पड़ेगा. I am sending this 10 this side. So 2 upon 10, 1 upon 5. 2 upon 10, 2 ones 10, 2 ones 2, 2 5 is 10. Now see I am taking this 50, open bracket, minus 34, minus a upon b. Okay, see 1 upon 5 equal to, so 50 minus 34. Yes, 16. Yes or no? 16 minus a upon b. Now send this b this side and 5 this side. We got it. B equal to 5 cross multiplication, 5 bracket 16 minus a. So b equal to 16 by the ab minus 5a. So got it. 5a bring this side. 5a plus b equal to ab. One equation we got. 5a brought this side becomes plus b equal to ab. Okay. Now I hope you all understood this. All of you. Please, no gritery. Slight carelessness shook us, kills us. We lose it. Spending time 0 marks. Okay. Now total 100. Add frequency. Get second equation. Then solve both equations. Okay. Now see. I am writing sum of the frequency. Total. Look here, see 4 plus 14 plus a plus 16 plus b plus 16 plus 10 plus 8 equal to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be careful. Take 1 second. 4, 14, a. 16, b. 16, 10, 8, 100. Now add constant. 18. 18 plus 16, 34. 34 plus 16 plus 10 plus 8, 18 plus a plus b. इसमें कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करेगा. No gradery. 18 plus 16, 34. 30 plus 4 plus 16. plus 10 plus 18 plus a plus b. ऐसे आपको तसल्ली करनी है बाय फिंगर. कीप फिंगर प्रॉपर्ली. चेक चेक चेक. 40 50 50 plus 18 68 plus a plus b equal to 100. So a plus b equal to 100 minus 68. 100 minus 68. Yes. 34. Come on. 32. You got equation number. Subtract 100 minus 68. Finish. Okay. Now see you got equation 1, equation 2. Now it depends upon you how to find this 1 and 2. So कैसे करेंगे? A by substitution. Because cross multiplication is not in syllabus. Substitution. Okay. Now see, put a value of a or value of b, get value of other one. I'm taking now A equal to 32 minus B. Put in 1. Use 3 in 1. We got 5 multiplied by 32 plus minus B plus B equal to 80. Okay, open. Okay, 160. 5 to 10, carry 1, 5 to 10 160. Minus 5B plus B equal to 80. Are you understanding? See, I am taking this very normally because you are knowing how to solve. Substitution, we got put 3 in 1, open bracket, be careful again, select carelessness, gives us 0 marks. We got minus 5B plus B minus 4B. I am sending this 160 this side, so it will be minus 80. Yes or 80 minus 160, so minus 80. See, minus 1 is plus, so B equal to 80 upon 4, that is 20. Value of B is 20. Value of B 20 is डाल. Okay, see, you are ready? All of you? B is 20. Therefore, A plus 20 equal to 32. We are putting this value here. So A equal to 32 minus 20. A equal to 12. Finished. B is 20. Right? Yes, students. I will give 2 examples of like this for finding basic frequency. Please try your best. Okay? Students, concentrate. Involve yourself. Okay, see.